Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Here we go, banana nut bread. We already did a stick of butter and we melted it in the microwave, set to the side. Let's mash up 4 ripe bananas. We threw in a tablespoon of vanilla extract in here, mixed it up really well. Make sure your bananas are really ripe, like they're turning already like black. Let's put a cup of brown sugar, either dark or light is okay. 1 egg, let's mix in here. Voila. This is gonna be so yummy. 1.5 cups of flour, you guys. Make sure you strain it. Let's make that nice and smooth. 1 teaspoon of each baking powder and baking soda. Let's put a little pinch of salt, about, I would say, half of a teaspoon. Just make sure we put it in here and strain it. Oops, I overdid it. And 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Let's throw in our butter. Oops, it's too cold. Make sure you leave it room temperature. Let's mix it in. And then we're going to go ahead and add our flour. Throw it in there very smoothly. We're going to throw this in at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. Make sure you guys are checking it. I put a little half a cup of oil in there to make it more smooth. Let's butter the pan. Don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys. And for all my new subscribers, don't forget to hit the little bell notification. They will notify you of more videos that are to come. I hope you guys enjoy these recipes on TikTok that I will be bringing to you guys. I am so excited to share. And voila, we've got a nice moisty delicious bread. The glaze is optional.